Do you want to learn how to report those damn loud people in a way that they won't leave you like a sieve? It's simple. Use your head. If the sound is loud, don't complain in person, scream, or want to talk. Call the police and let them sort it out. If you're an idiot and want to talk first, they'll know it was you who called. And even if you didn't, they'll think you did. People who live with loud music in their ears don't think straight. Did you like the tip? Share it with your friends so they can both be smart.